Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to download free premium illustrations that are updated weekly. First go to illustrationkit.com. I've already opened it. Here you can see you can download free premium illustrations. You have illustration libraries, a collection of customizable characters and scenes illustrations. You have two things, scenes and characters. I'm going to open scenes. I've already opened it. Here you can see we have tons of illustrations of different scenes, rating, card expired, data security, share location, complete task, schedule, FAQ, analytics, and many more. So I'm going to tell you now how to edit them online. From here you can change the skin tone or skin color of the vectors of persons by simply clicking on them. From here you can change primary and secondary colors of illustrations. It's very simple, like I'm going to select it as blue because I like it. You can see that I'm changing colors, and all the colors and the vectors and all scenes illustrations are changing by itself. And from here I can change the secondary color. I'm going to select it red. And now simply if you want to download it, just click on it and simply click the download SVG or download PNG. You can download any format you want, and here you can see it's a very good high resolution PNG to use in your next designs. You can also download the SVG to edit more in any vector editing software. You see project planning, connection lost, resume, pair programming. You have all the vectors, all common vectors that are mostly used in most designs and in most websites. You have tons of these designs. It's a very good library of vectors and it's completely free. I like it very much that it's so easy, and changing color of all vectors is so easy. I'm going to set it black or any color you want. It's just up to you. What color do you want? So, and here you can see a link in description for the illustration kit. You can download all of these vectors just for free. I'm going to show you how. Just simply open the link in the description and write here a fair price of 0. Enter any email address you want, like I am writing any anonymous email, and here continue. And here from here you can click on view content to download it. Just simply click the download button and all of these illustrations will be downloaded. You can edit them in SVG format. The second one is characters. I'm going to open it. I've already opened in a new tab. From here you can see we have plenty of characters that can be used in many designs, in social media posts and websites. And the same thing goes here also. You can change the skin color, you can change primary and secondary colors very easily. You can download it in SVG format, in PNG format. I'm going to select light blue and green color, or no, maybe I guess blue is good. Yes, I will change the secondary color to something else. I'm going to use it red. It will look good. Yes. So here you can simply click on it, download in SVG format and download it in PNG format. It's very easy, very handy and very useful. It can save a lot of your time. Secondly, it's an alternative of freepic.com. From here you can find everything free. I've also added the link of these characters in my description. You can download them free from this website. Just click on the link in description, and the same process goes for this also. Write any email and get it on your computer. Click on view content and click download, and it's very simple. So free premium illustrations that are updated weekly. You can also subscribe for weekly updates, so whenever they added new illustrations, new scenes in their library, you can get a notification on your email about that. In the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell icon for notifications. Show some love, spread some love. Thank you.